Hi. Welcome. To the first Tech Talk of 2025. I have created a little series for you this time. So the series is 4 episodes, and I'm going to talk about Microsoft Sustainability Manager. If you think that's interesting, stay tuned. So Microsoft Sustainability Manager is a product that Microsoft released back in June 2022. And throughout that time, Microsoft has added a lot more feature to that product. It's part of the Microsoft Cloud for Sustainability industry solution. And it's basically a tool that can help you and your company work towards common sustainability goals within your corporation. So this is the first of 4 episodes, and I'm going to talk to you about the analytics part, how we can view the data in various forms. I'm going to talk about data, how we can import data, how we can automate the import of data, and that will happen in a next episode. We're going to talk about calculations. That's for our 3rd episode. And finally, how we can use that data when we are working with external reporting capabilities. So let's dive into the analytics part. So I have on my screen Microsoft Sustainability Manager. On the left side, we have different menus. I'm going to jump into the analytics menu here. There are some dashboards. We are using Power BI dashboards. The Sustainability Manager product is actually implemented on top of the Power Platform. And I'm going to dive into the emissions insight report. So we can work on environmental data, emission data. We can work on water and waste as well. In the future releases, we can also start working on, if you know the ESG abbreviation, we can start working on social and governance as well. So I'll dive into the emission insights report. And so once you've got all your data in and you've calculated your emission data and based on factors, etc., you can have a look at your data and it will look something like this. So obviously I'm looking at some demo data, and I have a company available called Larsen Logistics, a small logistics company, and I have imported data from 2022 and 2023. So I'm going to filter on that, and on my right side I can see different types of scope 1 and scope 2 category emissions. So I have mobile combustion and I have purchased electricity. You can also work with scope 3, which is what's happening outside of our company. So I can dive even further into my data. This Larsen Logistics, I have offices in Denmark, 3 offices in Denmark, and I have an office in Germany as well. So you can see I can dive through. I have an office in Aalborg. I can see exactly my metric ton CO2 emissions for Aalborg on scope 1 and as well on scope 2. So depending on how you set up your data, I could actually dive all the way down to my truck that I have in a specific department, or depending on how you would like to view your data. You can also create your own BI reports if you would like to do that. And there are, obviously, you can deep dive into the scope 1 emission. Just briefly touch upon that. I can work on comparison by month. So I can see that between 2022 and 2023, I have a sort of a rising curve on my emissions, but that's okay because I know I have added more trucks to my company. So that's not a big problem here. So just a quick show of how we can view our sustainability data. Next time I'm going to dive into how we can actually import data from, in this case, finance and operations. So hope you enjoyed this quick in-flight into Sustainability Manager. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.